Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are liking my classes. If you are a new viewer, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for further notification and enjoy my classes. This video I have come forward with another unit of business, that is of AHSEC second year, unit 5, and name of the unit is what? Organizing. We have completed planning, where we have done its meaning, characteristics, yes, process of planning. Okay, now this video will include about organizing. Okay, organizing is what the next managerial function after planning. In planning, what we have done, the thinking activity we have completed. Yes, now organizing. In organizing, what we will do? Organizing the plans. For the success of the plan, we have to bring things together. Okay, identify the work, identify the activity, identify the person, what type of person I need, identify the different department. Okay, organized. Okay, preparing the thing, creating the team, creating my task, creating my work. That is the meaning of organizing. In simple word, we can say that organizing is the process of identifying and grouping of things in order to achieve certain common goals or objectives. Now the thing is, what identification we will do, what group we will do, whom we will bring things, both human and non-human things are included under what? Organizing. First, we have to identify the task. Yes, now classify the task, group the task. Okay, and what we will do, we will work on for achieving the success of the organization. That is the common motive, that is the common goal. Success of the business, success of the enterprise. Every business, every unit, what they have to do? Unite the thing. Okay, unite the process, bring things together. That is the meaning of organizing. Okay, you will understand more when we will go in depth. Okay, now the thing is, organizing is a group activity. Yes, people come together, work together. Okay, organization helps in achieving certain common goals or objective. Okay, that is the meaning of organizing. Okay, organizing, identification, group of tasks, division of work, imposing authority, identifying responsibility, everything comes under organizing. Okay, now next is what? Steps involved under organizing. So when we will going to organize, what are the steps included? First one is what? Identification and division of work. Number 2, departmentation. Number 3, assignment of work or duties. Number 4, establish authority, responsibility, relationship. These are the 4 steps of organizing process. Number 1 is identification and division of work. Suppose in a bank, what we will do, we will identify the work. In bank, what are the activities are there? The monetary aspects, people deal with monetary, saving, depositing, withdrawing, this kind of activity, connecting with check, bill, Hyundai, draft. Yes, dealing with people, dealing with customer, dealing with loan. These are the different activities. Those are identified and they are grouped into different department. That is point number 2. After identification of work, the next one is what? Creating the department. Okay, help desk is one department, loan section is one department, transfer of fund is one department, treasury is one department. That is the creating of departmentation. Okay, identify the work, creating department. In a production farm also, what we can do? Purchase is one department, producing is one department, storing of goods is one department, distribution is one department. That is departmentation of work. Number 3rd one is what? assignment of duties. Assignment of duties means what? Assigning tasks. We have identified, we have created department. Now we will assign the work to employees and worker. Which person will work at what place? Which person will work at what department? What will be his work? His work is in morning shift or evening shift. His work for 8 hours. He's working for what is the working class section, or he will appoint as official purpose or paperwork duties. Those kind of assigning the person, giving the person authority to work. That is the meaning of assignment of duties. Now we are attaching with the banking sector. Now people will be appointed. Now you sit in with customer relationship, you go to the treasury section, you go to loan section. Okay, that is what assignment of duties. Okay, next, number 4 is what? Establish authority responsibility relationship. Okay, people we have appointed at different position, different place, different department. Now the question is, who will instruct, who will guide who will give order to who, or who will follow whom? That is the question. Okay, if there is no any kind of authority responsibility relationship, now everyone will try to do the easiest job, everyone will interfere in every work. Yes or no? None will follow anyone. Okay, there is no bossism, no employee status. Yes, for this reason a structure has to be designed based on the power. Hence you are in rank 1, you are in rank 2, you are in rank 3, and you will follow the his order. Yes, superior subordinate relationship that is established under what? Authority responsibility relationship. Okay, understand? These are the 4 steps. Again I will brush it up. Number 1, identify the work, divide the work. Now after division, create department. Product A, purchase department, production department. In this way department or work wise you create department or division. Number 3, duty allotment to the employees and worker. Next is what? Establish authority responsibility relationship. Okay, these are the 4 steps of organizing process. Okay, next we will proceed towards importance of organizing. Why organizing is required? What is the benefit of organizing? Yes, this is a very important thing. With organizing helps in achieving goals and objectives. Yes, because the activities are performed, team are created under organizing. Certain point of importance of organizing I have raised. Number 1 is what? Benefit of specialization. Number 2, clarity of work relationship. Number 3, utilization of resources. Number 4, dynamic environment adoption or helpful in adapting dynamic environment. And number 5 is what? Proper administration. 5 points I have raised. In book there are numerous points. You may read and you try to understand. I have raised 5 points. Okay, point number 1 is benefit of specialization. In organizing, specialized persons are being identified. Specialized persons are appointed at their appropriate place. Okay, suppose a managerial skill. Suppose a person is very good in terms of managing what we can say product. Okay, in what we can say segregating the product, he will what we can say appoint in a what we can say production specialized branch. Some are very good center. If we take an example of we can say tea industry or coffee bean industry, what we see some taster were there. Okay, they have very good skill of smelling things. By smelling the tea, by smelling the coffee bean, they can identify as which is the best coffee bean. Okay, there may be different type of different category from different state, different countries. Coffee bean may come. By what is smelling, they can identify this belongs to this nation, this is very pure. Okay, that is a specialization. Okay, in organizing, those are identified and specialized person appointed at special branch. Okay, that is the benefit of organizing. Number 2 is clarity of work relationship. Under organization, everyone knows what is my work, what is my duty, okay, what is my limitation, what is my power. Okay, now that is established, clarity of work, none will interfere in another work or another department, nor the organization allows. Okay, that binding of work, okay, that is known as what? Organizing. In what we can say studies also, one small hint I want to say, first you have to identify, in books many topics are there, okay, but you have to identify according to the syllabus what points are there, what type of question come, okay, that clarity of work you have to do. Okay, similarly in organization or business also, what happen, clarity of work relationship can be established. Number third one is what? Utilization of resources. Yes, by proper organizing, raw material can be used in a proper way because they are in a safe hands. Okay, financial matter can be dealt with what we can say efficiency because financial planner, efficient specialized person are being appointed. Okay, distribution channel of marketers, specialized sales executive are being allotted so that what sales department runs very well. Okay, this helps in making effective utilization of resources, man, material, money, method. Everything's effectively utilized because of organizing. Next is helpful in adopting dynamic environment. Dynamic means, already we have discussed in the earlier class, dynamic means what? Changes. Okay, change. And a organization when it grows, its dynamic characteristics also expose. Yes, now what happened when you are in a large organization, you have numerous work, you have to think about production, you have to think about new technology, you have to think about dealing things, you have to think about competitors, and so on. You have to think about government rules, so your work expands. And for this reason, what you have to do, you have to do things very efficiently. And organization or organizing help in adopting those changes what? Efficiently. That is, organizing helps in adopting dynamic environment. Last one is what? Proper administration or effective administration is possible. Effective administration, administrator, what does the work of the administrator? Rule, regulation, what is the work culture, order are being done under what? Administration. Who now instruction, now the manager, top level manager can efficiently, deliberately divide the work in different department, divide the work in different functional department, divide the work in lower level management. Yes, because a structure is designed. Okay, in the later classes we will come to know about organization structure. Now who will instruct whom, top level, middle level, low level, you have studied or not, that instruction, okay, that strategy of instructing things makes effective administration. Okay, now everyone follows a effective administrative policies. Okay, that is another benefit of organizing. Okay, what we have learned: importance of organizing, benefits of specialization, clarity of work relationship, effective utilization of resources, help in adopting dynamic environment, and last one is what? Proper administration is possible because of organizing. Yes, these are the importance of organizing. Hope all of you have understood. If any doubt or query, you comment in my comment section and watch my video. Okay, give a good feedback, share my video so more and more viewers may join, they get the benefit of the classes. Stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.